Hello, everyone. Welcome to CY Group channel. This video is part 2 of AutoCount Accounting Fixed Asset Plugin. First of all, Asset Location Maintenance, maintain the locations of assets. Go to Asset Register, then Asset Location Maintenance. Click New, to create a new location for asset. Code, key in Asset Locations code. Description for the asset locations code. After key in, click Save. The new asset location will appear in the listing. Next, Asset Category Maintenance, enable you to categorize the assets. Go to Asset Register, then Asset Category Maintenance. Click New, to create a new asset category. Code, key in the asset category code, can define as another level of category. Description of asset category code. Click Save to complete creation. The category will be added in the listing. Furthermore, Asset Maintenance, to create individual asset codes and details. Go to Asset Register, then Asset Maintenance. There are 2 ways to create asset maintenance. Let's try the first way. After click Create New Asset, you will need to insert the information manually. Asset code, auto-assigned by system, short code in asset type, will add in front of asset code. Description of fixed asset. Purchase date, the purchase date of fixed asset. Supplier, linking from AP creditor maintenance. Currency code, the currency code used to purchase asset. Currency rate, following by currency code setting in system. Insurance policy, linking from insurance policy maintenance. Sum assured, the minimum amount of money that policy will pay out. Quantity of fixed asset. Category, choose which category the fixed asset belongs to. Unit cost, price per unit. Total cost, total purchased amount used to purchase fixed asset. Remark, input additional information. Details section contains various tabs. First of all, Analysis Code. Analysis Code tab allows you to select department, project, location, and employee for the asset. These selections are not compulsory. Next, Other Info tab. You are able to input PO number, road tax fee, leasing number, warranty year, invoice number, road tax expiry date, leasing expiry date, and warranty expiry date. The third tab is Depreciation. You are able to set the depreciate opening date, commence date, and asset type. Disposal tab. You are able to perform non-write-off or write-off disposal by clicking the plus button. Disposal date, the asset's disposed date. Disposal type, select the type of disposal. The types are including non-write-off and write-off disposal. Non-write-off disposal contains tender, quotation, auction, trade-in, as a gift, buried, burned, disposed, sell-off and other. Remark, input additional information for reference. Check all, select all asset when you have more than one quantity. Uncheck all, deselect all asset when you have select wrong asset detail code to dispose. Total cost, unit cost of asset. Accumulated value, accumulated depreciation of the asset. Net book value equals total cost minus accumulated value. Disposal price of disposal during trade-in, sell-off and etc. Available for non-write-off disposal only. GL code, select the GL code for the amount of disposal price post to. Profit or loss equals disposal price minus net book value. Calculate, system will calculate the profit or loss of the asset. Let's try non-write-off disposal. Choose a disposal type for non-write-off. Tick the checkbox to select asset or check all button to select all asset. Then, select the GL code, and input disposal price. Click Calculate to let system calculate the profit or loss for the asset. Click Save to proceed. You are able to click the minus icon to remove the disposal. However, make sure you haven't done the posting. If the JE document number column is blank, means the disposal hasn't done posting. Let's continue to write-off disposal. For write-off disposal, you don't need to input disposal price, due to the asset is total loss, which can't be used. Select the write-off disposal type, then tick the checkbox of the asset, and click Save to proceed. Furthermore, child code is the accessories help the fixed asset to have better performance. Example, the fixed asset is computer, child code can be mouse, keyboard and etc. Serial number, after you have key in serial number in purchase invoice or cash purchase. The serial numbers will appear in here. Lastly, depreciation adjustment. Use the plus or minus icon to add or remove depreciation adjustment. Note is the tab after asset. Note allows text only, you are able to input additional information for reference. Following by photo. Photo tab allows to place an image as a reference. Then, external link. External link tab enables to add a path to access a file, such as PDF. Click the plus icon to add link, minus icon to delete link, and folder icon to open the file. Service maintenance enables to keep track the fixed asset service information. Last tab is cost allocation posting project or department. You are able to split the costing into a few departments or projects on sharing basis. Please take note, you can select either project or department, and have a few departments or projects sharing the cost. However, make sure the posting rate is 100 in total. After you have done setup, click Save to create the fixed asset. View depreciation schedule allows to view the depreciation schedule in asset code, year or month, and each depreciation value. Let's use another way to create a fixed asset. When you are creating a purchase invoice or cash purchase for the fixed asset, make sure the checkbox of this asset is ticked. Then, go to Asset Maintenance and click Create a new asset. Click ellipsis button, select the document with the asset item, and click OK. The item's information will load automatically. Click Save to create the fixed asset. That's all for this part. Thank you, and see you in next video.